Hey guys, it's Mark. Welcome back to the channel. Guys, I want to show you one of the newer releases from Ridge currently available on their website and through select dealers on websites such as Amazon and eBay, and that would be the Ridge Pac-Man wallet. Now guys, who hasn't played this game? Anybody over the age of 20 certainly has at some time or another, probably still play it now. I admit I do. This is a really cool offering from the Ridge Company. I think this wallet was introduced, I believe maybe a year or so ago. I was not able to acquire one. I saw it on social media and wanted to get it, but nobody had it for sale. Ridge reintroduced it. This is the new Ridge 2.0, which you can see with that official Ridge product, the sticker on, and of course the outer black sleeve, as I've told you in other videos, designates that this is the new 2.0 wallet. The top of the box follows with the same theme that you have on the front of it, and the back of it is the standard Ridge telling you that you got an aluminum wallet, Pac-Man finish, with the strap, which is what I prefer. Guys, you take off the outer sleeve and you get this good looking Apple S Ridge times Pac-Man black box. You pull that top off and you get this inner sleeve, telling you about how to use the Ridge wallet. And of course, it is Pac-Man themed. It's really cool. And it doesn't end there. Guys, you get a Pac-Man sticker. Yes, a Pac-Man sticker. I think that is really just a rush. I love it. And then, of course, voila, what you've been waiting for, the gorgeous Ridge Pac-Man wallet. Guys, this wallet is absolutely gorgeous. As you can see, the finish is very, very sharp. It is textured, very nicely done. I mean, it's not UV printed. I don't know how they did this, but it does have texture. I mean, you can feel everything. You can feel the ghosts. You can feel the dots. Everything. It's just absolutely amazing. The finish is matte black, as you would expect. The screws, as usual, are absolutely gorgeous and really do shimmer. And I wouldn't change anything in this. I wouldn't put any other color screw on this. You might consider blue, but the blue Ridge screws look a lot like the black screws, so I wouldn't waste the money doing it. I think it's absolutely spectacular as it is. Guys, like all Ridge wallets, you press on the bottom, you pop the card out. Card removal is smooth and easy. The back of the wallet is themed exactly like the front, and you've got a Pac-Man Ridge 2.0 cash strap cover on it. It is really, really nice looking. Oops. And the top of it, and you can see it does have the cutouts on it. I think that's how they reduced weight on this. One of the features of the new Ridge 2.0. Guys, the inner aluminum panel is black, and it's smooth as a baby's ass. I mean, the thing is perfect. Card insertion and retrieval is really, really smooth. And I'll tell you, nobody makes a wallet as smooth as Ridge does. I have tried them all. I've got the generics. I have the Rossum. None of them are as good as the Ridge. Guys, this is an absolutely phenomenal wallet. I think if you really like Pac-Man, or if you're a wallet collector, this is one you've got to have. Let me know what you think, guys. Let me know if you pick it up and purchase it for yourself. And as always, please leave comments about what you think about it or don't like about it. Whatever. I welcome it all. Thanks for watching.